Hey everyone, today I will unbox for you this Xiaomi Redmi 9A. This is a entry-level 4G smartphone from Xiaomi, that costs around €140 to €150, depends from where you buy it. It has 2 GB of RAM memory and 32 GB storage, a 2 GHz octa-core processor, 6.5 LCD IPS display, and a 13 megapixels camera and 5 megapixels selfie camera, that takes decent pictures for a entry-level smartphone. The package contains a power adapter with micro USB cable, a silicone case, and a small instructions manual. It does not come with headphones. Like I said before, it is an entry-level mobile phone that it's ideal for office work, or as a second phone. The main advantage it's the lithium polymer battery that is enough for more than 2 days of normal usage. When you first turn it on, it has a very easy and quick setup. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes until you can use it, comparing to a Samsung entry-level smartphone that takes twice as much. As you will notice at the end of the video, the phone is a bit laggy and sometimes its response time is slow. This is due to the 2 GB of RAM memory, but you can't have much expectations in this price range. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.